Hi friends, good afternoon. Yeah, I'm here in our house in Takanini. I'm currently standing on a railway track, and this is the Addison village, as you can see on video. So this is heading to Takanini, and on the other end that's heading to uh, Manukau, all the way to Auckland CBD. And this is our house from a railway truck. Now, as you can see, they start earthworks on this area. It seems they're gonna build another housing on this vacant lot, I should say. Yeah, Addisonville is really expanding. It's a big area covered by this village. That's why a lot of migrants move in here, because this is actually this nice place, close to airport, close to shops, hospitals. So it's really ideal for the family to live in here. And I'll show you our calamansi. That's our calamansi tree. Gives fruits. By the way, the reason I'm here because we're installing the moisture barrier under the floor of our house as part of healthy homes requirement, especially for rental property. So they're gonna do the inspection in July. The main things they need to inspect is the heat pump, range hood, and moisture barrier. Done? Yeah. Okay, thank you so much.